Today we're here at Nanoleaf on the Nanoleaf patio. We're here to repot some plants that are known to be excellent for pollinators such as bees and butterflies.
Pollinators are just a generic term for insects that fly from flower to flower, crop to crop, carrying pollen and really helping crops reproduce and grow year over year. What we've done today is created a butterfly sanctuary for some of the pollinators that fly through Toronto and our native species here in North America.
We decided to go with grow pots for a healthier root system for breathability because it's a permeable fabric which allows them to grow healthier and stronger.
So in the month of August, we're doing the Honey Harvest Initiative, and what we really want to accomplish is to bring some awareness and educate on some of the issues surrounding pollinators. Here in Canada, we've chosen to partner with the David Suzuki Foundation. The David Suzuki Foundation has been working tirelessly to promote environmental causes and initiatives since 1990. They have a great pollinator program that really helps teach people what they can do, the small steps that they can take at home to help protect pollinators. Until August 17th, we're donating $1 from every sale on the Nanoleaf shop worldwide to the David Suzuki Foundation. We're also donating $50 from the sale of special design kits that we've created which celebrate pollinators. You can do your part at home too. If there's an environmental charity or a cause that helps to support pollinators in your country, you can donate to them. Send us the receipt and we'll credit your account with 20 Nanoleaf Rewards Points for every dollar that you spend.
This is a great opportunity for us to kind of make our difference and add a little bit of greenery to the urban environment.